Hello everyone. Are you a teenager looking to make some extra cash? In today's digital world, there are plenty of opportunities for you to make money online. In this video, we will discuss 5 simple ways for people under the age of 18 to make money online. Online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they are willing to pay for it. Online survey websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research allow you to sign up for surveys and get paid for completing them. The amount you can earn varies depending on the website and the length of the survey. Some popular survey websites for teens include Freelance writing. If you have good writing skills, you can offer your services as a freelance writer. You can write articles, blog posts, social media content, or product descriptions for clients. Freelance writing websites like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to create a profile and apply for writing gigs. You can set your rates, but keep in mind that rates for new writers may be lower than established writers. Some popular survey websites for teens include Selling products online. If you are creative, you can sell products online, such as handmade crafts, t-shirts, or other items. You can create an online store on platforms like Etsy or Amazon and promote your products on social media. Keep in mind that there may be rules and regulations for selling products online as a minor, so be sure to do your research before starting your store. Some popular survey websites for teens include So, there you have it. 5 simple ways for people under the age of 18 to make money online. Which method will you try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.